wanted to get on here and just say how much I am loving my LadyBoss LEAN protein shakes. Seriously, you guys, they taste amazing. They're so good. Like, I feel like I'm having one of my naughty, sugary Starbucks drinks when I'm drinking one of my LadyBoss LEAN protein shakes. They taste that good. But the thing that's even better is these shakes actually help curb the cravings. Super easy to mix. I've never had any chunks or chalkiness. It is the best tasting shake mix that I've ever tried. I spend way too much money at places like Starbucks. I always feel like sometimes in the middle of the day or at the end of the day, I just need a little kicker or need a little treat. This is a great meal replacement. So I'm so glad that I have found LadyBoss shake mix because it's just so convenient, it's so good, and it's so healthy for women. So I'm definitely gonna stick with my birthday cake lean shake mix.